Greetings everyone, my name is Mr. Ali. I want to share the incredible journey I've had with my lovely students for the past 2 months. First, I want to thank Clever Institute for providing us an environment for both learning and teaching. Second, I want to thank the students for joining our institute. They have improved their skills, all the skills of English, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Thanks for them for being my students, especially the level 6 students. I'm looking forward to seeing them again. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Sir Haval. I hope everyone is doing great. So today we are so pleased that we have been able to take a crucial step that we have completed the English course at Clever Institute. So the students now can speak and listen very well, and they have such a big confidence in themselves. So I also want to thank the administrative team because they have always played an influential role in creating a qualified environment for the students.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Ismail. I taught level 5 at Clever Institute. I created a positive and friendly environment in the classroom. The lessons were enjoyable and included many activities. The students especially liked the second lesson because they learned new things. Finally, I'd like to thank the administration for their help and support during this time.
Hello, my name is Sauce. We really enjoy our English course this year. We were in level 4 and we learned many new things.
Hello, my name is Arin. We study vocabulary, reading and writing. We also practice speaking and listening a lot. Hello, my name is Anya. Now we feel more confident when we speak English. Hello everyone, my name is Paria. Our teachers helped us every day and made learning fun.
Hi, I'm Ru'ya.
Hello, my name is Nila.
We are happy with what we learn and proud of our progress.
Hi, my name is Dalad. I am Mr. Ali student. I have learned than I much expected. Thank you for Mr. Ali and Clever course.
Hello guys, my name is Varina and I'm very happy to speak, and this course helped me a lot. And I learned a new words and new grammar. Last year I was in level 3, now I'm in level 5. I can speak confidently now.
Hello everyone, my name is Lena and I'm in level 5. I really enjoyed this course and it was fun and helpful. I improved my speaking and listening. Thank you for teaching us and supporting us. I hope we meet again in another course.
Hello guys, my name is Jiro. I am in كلێڤەری students course. I am so happy to speak to you and I hope you come. It's really important for yourself and thanks for my teacher.
Hi, my name is Hishu. I participated in an English language course at كلێڤەری Institute with Mr. Haval. Today I'm very happy that I was able to successfully advance my language level, and in the course I learned how to become a better speaker and conduct seminars professionally.
Hi, my name is Les. I'm level 2. I'm really happy because I speak English.
Hi everyone, I am Tarza. I learned many things in the course. I feel happy and proud. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Ivan. I am a student at كلێڤەر summer course. It was a great place to improve my English language. With the help of my teachers, it helped me build courage to speak English language.
Hi, my name is Nella. I am level 3. I joined this course to my English get better.